In this video, I'll show you how to create an account in Fiverr. This is my new video series. Here in this series, I will show you how to open an account, publish a gig, create a gig image, write a description, give a skill test. Finally, I will show you how to earn Fiverr using AI service. So let's begin. First of all, enter fiverr.com. You can see join in the corner. Click here. 2 ways to create an account. I'll select continue with email. Enter your email here and enter a strong password. Then click on continue. Enter your username here. You can change it later. Enter here a code will be sent to your Gmail. After entering the code, click on submit. After clicking submit, your account will be created. Then click on profile icon. Click on settings. Now click on go to my profile. How to write description, how to add education, how to give skill test will be shown in the next video. Now I will upload the profile picture. Be sure to take a nice formal photo before uploading the picture. You cannot learn how to earn using a service on Fiverr so easily anywhere else. So definitely watch the all video series and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.